So today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy cat head. Just ignore my little color change. I ran out of yarn. It wasn't meant to be, but it's a one color head. It's very easy to do. I will show you every step of the way. So let's begin. First, a little about the materials. I have used this yarn from Elise. It's called Superlana Midi. And you can see the info right here. And then I used a 5mm hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. We begin with the brim, so make a slip knot. And then we chain 6. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 6 times in total. Then we work a single crochet into each. So skip the first chain, move on to the second, and work a single crochet. Then work a single crochet in the next. And then one single crochet in each chain all the way across. We did 6 chains and we skipped the first one, so you should end up with 5 single crochet when you're across. And then it looks like this. Then you chain 1 to turn. And then you work a back loop single crochet in the first stitch. So skip your turning chain, move on to the next, and work a back loop single crochet in the next. So insert the hook into the back loop and work a single crochet. And in the next stitch, insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch and work a single crochet. Then continue all the way across with a back loop single crochet in each stitch. And when you're done, you chain 1, then you turn, skip your turning chain, and work a back loop single crochet in the next. And then you just continue repeating this row again and again until the brim reaches around your head. I did 72 rows in total and this reaches around my head. So now I will work a half double crochet into every row on the edge of my brim. So I begin with a chain 2, and then I work a half double crochet in the first row, and then a half double crochet in the next. So yarn over and insert the hook into the row and work a half double crochet, then yarn over and work a half double crochet in the next, and then just continue with one half double crochet into every row all the way across. So you should have 72 half double crochet when you're all the way across. And when you're all the way at the other end, you will now chain 2, 1, 2, then we turn, and then we skip the 2 chains and work a half double crochet in the next. So yarn over, insert the hook and work a half double crochet, and a half double crochet in the next. So now you work a half double crochet in each stitch all the way across, and then you just repeat this row again and again until this head is tall enough. So one half double crochet in every stitch, then chain 2, then turn and work half double crochet all the way back again. Back and forth, back and forth. So I continued until it measures 19 centimeters from the bottom of the brim up till here. It is 16 rows in total. I thought I had enough yarn, but as you can see, I had to make this unfortunate color change. But now you know how to do it. I will now close it up. So I fold this over, just like this. And now I want to sew it with my tapestry needle. So I will take a good amount of yarn before I cut it. And then I will pull this loop through and find my tapestry needle and sew it up all along the edge here and up at the top. You can of course do it with your crochet hook, so you'll just leave the loop and then do a crochet stitch, a single crochet or a slip stitch all the way along the edge through both layers, but I like to do it with my tapestry needle. So I will just sew it together through both layers with this one. All along the top and the edge down here as well. And when we're all the way around, we weave in the end, then we cut the yarn, and then we can turn it around and have the right side out. And remember to push out the corners for the ears of the hat, and then you can wear it like it is. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!